Hey, thanks for watching. I'm Ken with LearningZen, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to have text appear to be behind an object in Camtasia 2022. Okay, so we're inside Camtasia 2022. I have a short video on my timeline and then some text on the track above it. And I want this text to appear behind the bicycle so that there's kind of a separation between the foreground and the background, add a little bit more depth. So what I'm going to do is on the left-hand side, I'm going to select Visual Effects, and then I'm going to select Blend Mode. I'm going to click on that, just drag it down onto my text. And now if I look on the right-hand side on the Properties panel, you'll see Blend Mode here, and then the mode will default to Screen. Now, if you click on this, you'll have a drop-down, and you can just kind of go over each one and see how they affect the text. So soft light kind of puts it behind, hard light, it's still in front. So you can go through and see which ones you want to use. I know for this, overlay will work. So I'm going to select overlay, and then you're going to select your range. And then I'm just going to go over each one and see which one looks the best to me, or which one fits the project I'm working on the best. That's kind of cool. Gray highlights I like. Red highlights, green. I think I like the red highlights the best. I'm going to click that, and then we can just play this, and you'll see that the text is now behind, and you'll see how it kind of adjusts as the background of the image or of the video changes as well. Now, when you are using this effect, keep in mind it works best if you have a lot of contrast. So you want to use an image or a video that is either daytime like sunny or evening dark. That's where this effect will work best. If there's not a lot of contrast in the image, it kind of gets muted a little bit. You don't have such a dramatic effect. So really light or really dark works best. And there you have it. How to move your text from in front of an object to behind it in Camtasia 2022 using the blend mode. If you like this video or any of the videos on our channel, why don't you go ahead and give us a like, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We'll be coming out with new videos every week. Until next time, remember, laugh more and learn more. See ya.